What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks that could be valued up to $30,600. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Go click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Today is the day, guys. The Federal Reserve, it's having its second meeting of 2023. It's going to be a 2-day meeting. So the 21st and the 22nd. Tomorrow, the 22nd, is when we will get the announcement on the rate hike. Could be no rate hike, could be 25 basis points, could be 50 basis points. We just don't know. But the market is betting on no more than 25 basis points. That's what's priced in. Now, why is that important? Because we've already had a real tough year in the stock market, in the financial markets, and we are due for a change. And the Fed knows that. They got no choice, guys. At some point, they have to stop aggressively raising short-term interest rates. If they stop too soon, inflation is going to perhaps reverse itself and start going back up. And that is where they are walking a tightrope, guys. So I think on Wednesday, March 22nd, they will increase by 25 basis points. I've been saying that in my last couple of videos, and I'm going to stick to that because they got to. Because I think when you look at their priorities, the main priority is price stability. And the only way they achieve price stability is if they can get inflation from 6%, where it currently is, down to 2%. That is the top priority. The stock market and the rest of the financial markets is a priority, but it's not a bigger priority right now than price stability in our economy. So yes, they will increase short-term interest rates on Wednesday, March 22nd by 25 basis points. But that's okay, like I said, because the market has already priced that in. If they were to increase by 50 basis points, then the stock market would sell off because investors, institutional investors, retail investors, economists, financial gurus have not priced that in, right? And therefore, I believe the stock market would sell off if they went to 50 basis points. I don't believe that'll happen, though. I don't see that happening. I also was looking at Bitcoin, and I noticed Bitcoin is around $28,000 a coin. And I'm thinking, what in the heck is going on with Bitcoin? See, now, when Bitcoin hit its low point, it was about $15,000 a coin. Now, all of a sudden, it's $28,000 a coin. That's almost double. That's like an 83% gain. So if you invested in Bitcoin when it was at the bottom, which was about $15,000 per coin, you would be up 83% right now. I don't know what's going on with Bitcoin right now, guys. I'm not smart enough to figure that one out. I just thought that was pretty interesting with everything that's going on in the banking industry. Could that be one of the reasons why Bitcoin is starting to rally? You got to think about that. A lot of people are taking their money out of the banks. And what are they doing with it? Maybe they're putting it in Bitcoin. I don't know. That's just a thought. You guys can figure that out. I'm sure there are other people out there smarter than me that are already on that. But I just thought that was interesting. Banking industry in turmoil, interest rates up, but yet and still, Bitcoin is starting to hit a bounce, starting to boom. What's going on? I think that's one of the reasons why is because of what's going on in the banking industry. I think people are starting to take their money out of the bank and maybe put it in Bitcoin. I don't know. Maybe not your average, everyday, mainstream person, but you got these billionaires and these multimillionaires out there who they don't really like the banking system. So a lot of these people probably said, you know something? Let me take part of my money out and put it in Bitcoin. And maybe that's why you've had this increase in per coin price in Bitcoin. I don't know. You guys drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know why you think Bitcoin is rallying the way it's rallying. Something's going on. But if my meme coins, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, they need to get on that bandwagon. They need to jump on that bandwagon with Bitcoin and start going up in value as well so I can make a little money. I'm hoping they do. But back to the Federal Reserve and their meeting these next 2 days. Real important, guys. Real important because right now, man, we are in a situation where inflation has been coming down. Think about it. Inflation was at 9% back in June of 2022. Now it's at 6% as of the last CPI report, which was February of 2023 CPI report showed it's at about 6%. So we're making some good progress, but that progress came at a price because the Fed had to increase short-term interest rates aggressively. And when they do that, it hurts the financial markets. It hurts the debt market, right? It hurts the stock market. It hurts the housing market. So a lot of the financial markets have suffered because of short-term interest rates going up so quickly, right? All of those financial markets thrive when interest rates are low. But when interest rates are high, those financial markets do not thrive. And at some point, the Fed will have to pivot. They're going to have to, right? But I think they will not pivot until probably the second half of 2023. They're going to get the Fed funds target rate up to about 5% to 5.25%. And at that point, I think they'll be forced to pivot, right? Because like I said, those financial markets are suffering, especially with what's going on in the banking industry. So that's my take on it, guys. And I'm just a guy on YouTube giving my opinion. Go out and do your own research, figure this thing out for yourself. But for my 2 cents, I think the Fed is at a critical point where they're going to have to pivot. I think they'll pivot in June. And then on that back half of this year, you're going to see the financial markets start to thrive again. Bitcoin, man, what a bounce, right? Hey, but I know why it's bouncing, in my opinion, is because what's happening with the banking industry and people starting to move some of their deposits out of traditional banks and they're moving that money into Bitcoin to store it there. I also think Bitcoin is going to make a strong run, guys, in 2024. You're going to see a strong run in Bitcoin in 2024. I'm calling it right now. Again, man, I'm not a Bitcoin guy, but if you see what's going on, you clearly see people are starting to move money because Bitcoin is 83% higher than it was a year ago. So I don't know, man. You guys check it out. Drop me some comments and let me know what you think. If you want those 12 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. Remember, guys, valued up to $30,600. That doesn't mean you're going to get $30,600, but they could be valued up to that. So click on that link, Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.